Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Wi-Fi on your laptop. First, make sure your Wi-Fi drivers are installed properly. Then, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and click the network or globe icon. Now, click on Wi-Fi to turn it on if it's currently disabled. Once Wi-Fi is enabled, you'll see a list of available wireless networks nearby. Select the Wi-Fi network you want to connect to and click Connect. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Then click Next. You may be asked whether you want your PC to be discoverable on the network. Choose Yes or No based on your preference. That's it. Your laptop is now connected to Wi-Fi and you can start using the internet. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.